Now, if we're going to subtract 4/9 from 2/3, this question's actually asking, and if we put these separately on the two lines, we want to know what's the difference between 2/3 and 4/9. And the difference here is represented from the end of this rectangle to the end of this rectangle. So what we need to know is how far is it from here to here. And one of the things that we're going to start off with is we're going to figure out 2/3. Now, I'll move this back again. I want to know how many ninths 2/3 is. And so So 2/3 is actually equal to a total of 6/9. So 6/9 and 2/3 are the exact same thing. And so what we're going to do is take away 4 of the ninths. And remember that 4 of the ninths, and if we match it up here, we're just going to take away those 4 ninths. So if we take these away, so we've taken away the 4 ninths. What we're left with then is 2 ninths. And if I make another tile here, the difference between here, 2/3 and 4/9 is 2 ninths. And we can actually compare that here. So if we get rid of these, and we put in the 2 ninths and the 4 ninths, which is a total of 6 ninths, and we take away this 4 ninths, we're left with 2 ninths. So in other words, 2/3 take away 4 ninths is 2 ninths. And so now we're going to look at how you can do this using pencil and paper. So the same question, 2/3 minus 4 ninths. And remember, the first thing we have to do is find a common denominator for both fractions. And the common denominator here is going to be 9. And so what we need to do to the first fraction is multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 4. So that's for the 2/3. So we need to multiply both numerator and denominator, the 2 and the 3, by 3. And so when we do that, we end up with 2 over 3 times 3 over 3. And remember, 3 over 3 is 1. So we're just anything multiplied by 1 is itself. So we're not changing this fraction. And we're going to subtract 4 over 9. And when we multiply the numerators and the denominators, so 2 times 3 over 3 times 3 is 6 over 9. And we're subtracting 4 over 9. And so now 6 over 9 minus 4 over 9, we subtract the numerators and keep the denominators. So this is 2 ninths, which we found before using the tiles.